Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to remove on a Honda Fit or Honda Jazz in Europe AC line. If you can see, here it's bolted with a screw, and here you just need to remove this plastic cap, and then it's really no necessary to have a special tool. Just remove this clip. I'm trying to show you this. And be sure that is here no refrigerant fluid. That's all, just a clip. And now you can take it out without a special tool of something, just this clip, nothing more. Yeah, I hope I can have helped you. Yeah, it's very easy.